Green dot was the credit card company.
We've been sitting here for like 4 minutes with this sewer line, which I'm telling you, we're halfway up a 60 foot of height, 500 foot of line. I cut into here thinking that sewer hadn't gotten up this far, but it's been, with that Sawzall cut in it, it's been running for quite a while. So that means there's that much sewer water above us that it's relieving. So probably there's 250 feet above us, and we're waiting for it to drain out. And it does not smell good right now. This is not smell-o-vision. If it was, you would be already changing to another video.
Yeah, you'd be putting on the gas mask.
So what we're doing, so I can relieve the pressure, imagine it's a 4.443 PSI, pounds per square inch, for every foot. So we're going up 61 to 65 feet, and so that's close to 30 pounds of pressure, and it was causing me issue with every connection. Eventually it would give up. We found all the weak ones, I can tell you that, which are a lot, because we went 500 feet 2 times. But we're going to be putting in to try to change things, say 2-inch sewer check valve, and we're going to put 2 of those here so we can not have as much pressure, say 15 pounds on the spittings closest to here and 15 pounds on those down there. And then you're like, oh, why? Because I don't want to have to keep coming back out here fixing things. Been on this project for a while, and still got to climb into the septic tank one more time. So what we're doing is installing 2 of these and then putting a cover over it so that we can access if need be, and replace these if it had to be. I don't think it will, but it tells you which the flow is, and then you clamp onto it with those 5/16 screwdriver connections. And we marked, if you look closer, we marked where we're going to cut and then put this in. So you're seeing part of my great exciting life as a repair guy. I don't know if I've done a video of me going down into a septic tank. It looks like I'm in a spacesuit, like an astronaut, but not going into space. That's gravity free. It's got lots of gravity, and it works on gravity, and that is a septic tank with grinder pumps. And I really have not been in the mood to video anything, to climbing in there. So the height of this thing is slowing down, so that means I guess the pressure is less. But we've been waiting for quite a while. This little video right here is already 3 minutes and 50-something seconds. So say 8 minutes we've been waiting for the water to come down. That's how much pressure is going uphill. 60 feet from the septic tank. The grinder pumps had to have the ability to have lift of 120 feet. Didn't have to have that much, that's what we got. Needed 60 feet, so we had to be able to lift. It's not your average grinder pump. I would like to make this a lighthearted thing, but it's hard when you got this smell and possible bad. Anytime you want to make yourself feel better about your job, start looking at this, or maybe the one where I climb into a septic tank or crawl underneath a house. Then you might feel better about your job. whatever it may be. All right? All right, so you can't see, and I'm trying to hang on to this phone so I don't drop it, but this tank has got to be coming down, and so I can get into the pump on this side is not working at all. Because, well, it's working, but it's not pushing in the pipe because the pipe is unglued now. But there's 4 septic tanks, 2 lower ones, 2 upper ones. The lower one down there, about 300 feet, 350, it has 1 pump, and all of the solids and water liquid ends into 1 tank and then overflows into that pump area inside the septic tank. That, whenever it float switches kick in, that pumps up to this upper tank right here. Okay. When that overflows, there's a 4-inch line that goes down and over to here. And we're very full. We are going down. And I got to get down in there for more than one reason, evidently. One reason is that connection has to be refastened. The other reason is I think the float switch on the one that is working on manual on, I think the float switch to turn it on is not working, and I don't know why. So I've had a lot of issues with the controls, which they're not. Somebody had kind of patched them together. You can see one. It's not a relay. What is that? That is a contactor. They had the wires, these 2 pink wires tied to these red wires, and so it was only letting 40-something volts go to 48, 49 volts go to the 120 per leg pump, and it wouldn't work. So I had to figure out that those 2 pink wires, a pink white and a regular pink, had to be disconnected from those wires so that it would go down in here and then up here and then back over into the top. But that was one of many issues that I've had to straighten out. Not that I'm an expert at this. It's just something that I'm learning. So we're just working on getting it done.